going on, everybody? We're out getting these tomatoes stood up and thought I'd show you what we did this year. We've tried a lot of things over the years with stakes like we have here, and past 4 or 5 years we use what's called a Florida weave, if you're familiar with that. It's okay, but the problem with that is it's kind of a nightmare to put in, but also kind of squeezes the plant because it does like a figure 8 around the tomatoes. And problem is it only supports the tomatoes this way. When you get side winds, it doesn't really support it because the whole row can flop over. So this year I come up with this, which is basically T-post. Add the rows of this way as you need. We got them down each row and pulled extremely tight. If they loosen up, which like the Florida weave does, and once that loosens, you're pretty much screwed. But with these, all you do is like this bottom row, just unloosen those ones that go that way and yank them tight again, and you're back in business. Across the sides here, I took these across. Let's get them here easy to see, like this here. And these are movable, so you can adjust them where you need them for the plants, and you can add more in if you need. So as plants grow, you can just put whatever you need in there. Nice thing about this is it supports the plants in pretty much every direction, so I don't even know that stakes will be needed. But plus it looks cool. So it's basically building just like a big web, so no matter what direction you got, the tomatoes will have something to support themselves on. This one's not done yet. But. So anywho, and believe it or not, it actually took less time than that Florida weave does. And only took one person. I actually did this by myself. Typically it takes Jen and I to do that Florida weave. So very cool. Anywho, see ya.